Hey, Gixxer Man 01 back out in the garage again. I've got several things that I've purchased for the bike already on this little GS400. I've got a battery, I've got cables, I got gasket kit, carb kits, a seat cover. But one of the things I just kind of piddled around with so far is these side covers, trying to get them sanded down. And as I started sanding on them, realized that this thing's been painted with a rattle can 3 or 4 times. So I'm going to try to strip all this off. I can't just use regular paint stripper. I'm literally going to have to sand that all off, which I run a risk of digging into the plastic because it's just black ABS. If I used a stripper, it would probably melt the plastic along with the paint. So I'm going to try. I did a little test spot here and there with some glass bead blasting these, and for whatever reason my Harbor Freight sand blaster just isn't aggressive enough. I don't know if I just bought too fine of a media. So I got a buddy with his blast cabinet's a little more aggressive. So we're gonna go over and try to blast these. I'm okay if I get a little bit of texture in the plastic because I'm gonna prime it and sand it back smooth, but I wanna make sure I get those 4 layers of rattle can paint off of here before I try to put a good paint job over this. You never know what that stuff's gonna do underneath your finish, so especially if it sets in the sun, enamel paint gets soft, and if I put a 2K clear over top of this, it'll skin to it'll cross link and not move under heat like an enamel will, so you could get some cold checking and those kinds of problems if you try to go over top of this stuff. So I'm gonna try to blast this stuff back down to the original plastic so I can get all this enamel paint off of them. So let's go blast these panels and see how they do. Yeah, that's working good now. I ran out of air. So as you can see, the original, the condition that I received the bike in, this thing had, I'm just guessing, it had 8 to 10 mils of paint on it, and yeah, a lot of deep scratches that are just in the paint. That's not actual scratches in the plastic. And what I found as I bead blasted the paint off is that there was a complete layer of spot putty that I had to take off of it. So now I've got one side cover completely bead blasted. It's down to the original black plastic, even in the little nooks and crannies. The back side's all cleaned off. So the funny thing is, these things were just not really a matte black, like a satin black finish from the factory. They didn't really have a high gloss finish on them. Although I think I'm going to paint mine whatever color I paint the tank. I think I'm going to paint the side covers and put a nice slick finish on them. I'm just glad to get all that paint out of all the details of the moldings and out of the little slots for the tabs and around the screw hole. All the gunked up paint that was in there is all cleaned out. My buddy's air compressor had a hard time keeping up, so I ended up coming back and working with my air compressor, or my sandblaster, and was able to finish this panel up on my sandblaster. So one panel down, I'll do the other panel. I won't bore you guys with all the details of doing the second panel, but we got one panel ready to start priming and painting. So next, I think after these panels, I might start working on the gas tank. So thanks for watching. Please click that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.